In this session, I'm going to explain the different stages of relationships and how to get the deep love. There are three main stages in relationships. 1, the romantic phase. 2, the power struggle stage. And 3, the deep love stage. Relationships often start with a high-octane infatuation and romance. This never lasts, never. Relationships change, and the romance phase is always followed by a conflict phase which can make you wonder whether you are suited to each other or whether you are too different or too alike. Other relationships start as friendships and then gradually deepen, but there is still an initial blossoming of love. Love, of course, is well known to be a kind of madness that blinds us to the realities of the other. The development of conflict and fears is normal, and so is the power struggle that follows first infatuation. At this second stage, you might find yourself feeling or behaving in ways that you don't want and you don't understand. The scales of romance are dropped from your eyes. Conflicts and disputes and reality appear. We call this the power struggle because that's what it often feels like. The need to be heard, the need to be seen, and the need to be right. This is normal, not a sign that the relationship should end. Once you learn to navigate the conflicts, be more able to resolve the conflicts and the raptures, you'll be well on the path towards the deeper, more mature love that awaits us all and can last a lifetime. In that last stage, you will feel more alive, more joy, more happiness than you can imagine. You only have to look at older couples who've been together for 50 years or more to know that this is true. It's not about whether they argue and bicker. It's about whether they resolve their differences and connect with each other every time, and each time to go a little deeper. So, we're almost ready to begin. Throughout this course, I'm going to be assisted in some lessons by Jack and Jill, who are professional actors and who will demonstrate some common conflict behaviour and ways that you can start and continue a conversation or dialogue that will transform the way that you communicate. I'm using dialogues from the Imago system, which is what I use with great effect in my practice. The more you practice these dialogues and scripts, the quicker your transformation and reignition will be. Relationships are fascinating, and I'm excited to be part of your personal growth and adventure into lasting love. This course is just the beginning, and as a registered student, I'll be sharing my exclusive articles and tools with you throughout the journey and keep you encouraged and committed. You can start by taking the quiz to check the depth of your relationship. It's available as a downloadable PDF connected with this module. You deserve to be deeply fulfilled in love. I'll say that again because it's important, because you deserve to be deeply fulfilled in love. I invite you to carve a dedicated time to complete the modules in this course with your full attention. They're reasonably brief so that you can fit them into even your busiest schedule. So try to put away your phone, find a quiet place, and make time for yourself. So let's head now into the next module of Rescu Academy, Reignite Your Relationship.